Hello friends, and happy Thursday. Today I'm going to show you how to get into a iPhone without a passcode. So the first thing that you want to do is ask Siri to play a song. Siri, play Waymaker.
I couldn't find Waymaker in your music.
Then this should come up, and you want to push Search iTunes Store. Then it's going to bring up this. Okay, now you just want to stay on this page for a second and then push your home button. Now you're in. So if you did not want this to happen to you, if someone had your phone, you can go into settings, go to Touch ID and passcode, put your passcode in, and then these options will come up to use Touch ID. And you want to make sure that your Apple iPhone is unlocked. That button is on. The password autofill is on. And you also want to touch the iTunes and Apple Store. Then this is going to come up. So then you want to put your password in. Push OK. Lock your screen. And let's try it again. Siri, play Waymaker.
Sorry, I couldn't find Waymaker in your music.
Just doing the same process here. Okay, and it brings back up this same page. Now try to touch your home button to get into the phone. Okay, let's try that again. We're going to do the same thing. Siri, play Waymaker.
I couldn't find Waymaker in your music.
Play Waymaker.
I couldn't find Waymaker in your music.
Siri, play Waymaker.
I couldn't find Waymaker in your music.
You see how I turn that on? And now I cannot get back in. So I recommend turning that on just in case somebody knows how to get into your phone. They cannot pass this screen without your fingerprint. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.